Solomon Islands, from the heart of the ocean, we rise. Golden sun on the Pacific tide, emerald hills where the spirits fly, ancient stories in the island breeze, drums of the past in the banyan trees. From Guadalcanal to Malaita shore, voices of strength, we are so much more. Every smile holds a warrior's flame, every heartbeat speaks our name. Hear the waves pour out our truth, land of courage, land of youth. We stand together, hand in hand. This is our home, this is our land. Solomon Islands, rise, rise, rise. Fire in our hearts, light in our eyes. From the sea to the stars in the sky, we are the strength that never dies. Solomon Islands, feel the sound, pride in our blood, roots in the ground. This is our time, this is our fight. We shine, we stand, we rise tonight. Culture deep like the ocean blue, 1,000 islands, one soul true. Sacred dances, voices strong, unity beats in every song. Through the storms we never fall, faith and fire, we stand tall. History carved in coral and stone, this paradise we proudly own. No fear, no chains, no divide. The world will hear the island cry. From village vibes to city lights, we are the future, burning bright. Solomon Islands, rise, rise, rise. Fire in our hearts.